Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. I am here with Sonya Dove, who is on the Ulta Pro Beauty team. We're doing a photo shoot at the Water Street Studio, New York City, and she's prepping her model. And you were saying that there's something to get this perfect texture. You have to do something unique and special. So fill us in.
That's right, Maggie. So first of all, you can see this is what I'm creating, but I'm actually creating this double wave just with a curling iron, a Hot Tools curling iron. It's a large curling iron. And the key for this is not to take the sectioning where you think it should be here, but to go much higher up. And I'll just lift this section up here. The section for it starts very high up, so it's only about 2 inches in depth. The reason for that is with the curve of the head, if you section the hair here, it will get buckled because of the roundness. So I take my sections. I've already pre-used our Wella IME Thermal Image heat protectant spray, so everything's been sprayed all over. And I'm going in and using my hot tool, and I'm actually going to be using the edge as my ball point. It's almost like having spirit level. So I'm making sure it lines up with the last section, clamping the hair very firm and tight. So once you've got it, you shouldn't move. Keep the hair in the way of the direction it grows naturally. And then I'm going to start to use that edge and put it in the crease, holding the hair firm at the scalp and just holding it. Once I feel I've got that edge done, I'm then going to take this section of hair and pull it up against the other edge. Hold for a couple seconds, because what we're creating is indentations, but we're not really using the curve of the iron, it's the other sections. So let go, and we've got wave number 1. Now I'm going to repeat it on the next section. We've already got this area done, so I don't need to pull the hair up, so it's just held there, and then I'm pulling the bottom piece of hair directly up. Not with a kink, I'm making sure that I keep it straight up, and I'm just creating indentation with my curling iron. Hold it for a couple of sections, and then letting go. And that's how I create this wave. Now, I'm choosing to do it just in a certain area of my model's head to create a pattern, but this can be done all over the head to create a more of a 3-dimensional wave rather than it be a flat wave.
And what is this a trend, or is this just a design that you're into lately? What's going on?
It's actually a design I'm into lately. I love contrast in textures, and for me, the sleekness and then something happening is something I'm absolutely passionate about. And I do that. It can be also done in one area, then another, spaced out, almost like a checkerboard.
It's really cool, and it allows for more shine. Oh, it's wonderful.
It does, and what's unusual is I'm actually using the edge of the curling iron, not so much the round, to create these indentations.
Well, it's very cool. Well, thank you so much, and thanks for coming today. We're just having the most wonderful shoot. We're in a high traffic area here.
We are, but it's a lot of fun.
It's so much fun. Thank you so much for coming, and I can't wait to see the finished look.
Thanks,
Bye.